Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to REALME GT Neo5. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then tap on whatever you want to in all those other ones. When you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to send at the bottom of REALME. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, choose OK in white pop-up and then hit got it in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button. Then wait. Close or add. And as you can see, after that my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!